Alright. Let's fucking make that bigger, Jesus Christ. Okay. Alright, so what I want to get done right now is I want to fix the journal that I have going on here. So let me menu stuff, pause menu journal, okay. It's here. Oh, I already deleted all this stuff in it, didn't I? Yeah, I did, okay. So what I want to do, okay, what do we have? I need to make, I'm probably gonna do it, yeah, alright. Journal, text, yeah, we just, actually no, I think I want, yeah, I want button. Yeah. Put that up here. And then we're gonna want 4 of these. These are, I want 2 of them to fit here, so I'm gonna make it like, just be just be like that big. Yeah, it's pretty good. And then dupe it, dupe it, dupe it. Put one there. Then put the other one like right here, I'd say. And then put this one right here. I want it to be even. I think that's pretty good. I do want it to be like right, like from the center. I think 90. So when I click on this one, oh wait, that's a problem. Okay, let me move this. And get that to 90. Alright. It's kind of centered, but I think it's fine. So how far is this one away from it? Oh fuck. I want it to be like, yeah, like right there. So that's negative 231. So 230. Oop. Fuck. 231. Alright. I think that's how I want it to look like. Okay, so now let me rename these. So this one's gonna be, I think. So we need, what I need is I need items. I need enemies, equipment. That's what I wanted. So let me make this equipment. And then this one. So I can be a little bitch. Alright, there we go. Oh, that's not the right one. Oh, fuck. Let me name, okay, let me put this one under this one. Or no, I should put that under this one. Okay. Name that to, that one's gonna be items. And then this one is going to be enemies. Yeah, that's the right one. Okay, good. It's gonna be enemies. Enemies. And this one's gonna be anomalies. Is that? No. Oh, whatever. I'll just spell it that way for now. Okay. Let me pull in on this one. This is a button, so let me affect the text. Let's change it. Where's the... I think it's here. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Yeah, that's better. That font a bit bigger, like 24. Yeah, it's like perfect. Okay. Equipment. And then this one, make that, then make that ends. Change that to 24. And then this button, text, the same thing here, except make this one enemies. And then the final one would do anomalies, which I probably spelt wrong, but we're gonna keep it like this for now, because I'm not gonna go out of my way and look up. Actually, no, I am. Let's see, how do you spell anomalies? Anomalies. Okay. Anomalies. Okay, let's hope that's right. All right, and then 24. Okay, that all works out. Go back. Okay. Alright, so I have the text up. Let me make it so, actually, let me select. I think if we just select all of these, I can, or not, that's fine. We can do it one at a time. Alright, what do I want to do again? Oh yeah, I want to make the, oh no, I think it's the button actually. Yeah, it's the button. Okay, so I can equip all of them. Equip. Select. So I'm going to make this, I want it to be, I want the text, I want the text to be, yeah, white, because I want to make the background black. So let me actually, I do have to open up the text, because it's going to be, if you let me, there we go. It's going to be pitch white, and then the equipment thing is going to be, the color is going to be black. And then, actually, yeah, make it a little bit, yeah, that's fine. And then, yeah, that's perfect. Then for image, oh no, not the image, the items, make this white, and then make this slightly black. I want to make it the same, so I should probably copy. What do I change when I do this? Oh, it's just all of them. Okay, well, let me copy. So it's all 38. Okay. What if I change the alpha? No, we'll have max alpha. We'll use max alpha, and then, yeah. Okay. Why does it look like the items is off-centered? Oh, that's because it was, okay. So I already forgot. What is it at? 38, okay. So items, 38, 38, and 38. Okay. And enemies, 38, 38, 38, 38, and then its text will be white. Why does that look weird? Oh, that's why. That looks, yeah, I think I like how that looks so far. I mean, we can obviously change it later. Oh, and I don't know what that means. Oh, wait, okay, wait. The alphanumeric under all the sliders, the hex. Oh, wait, is it because, yeah, it's because fucking this pops up. Let me just click back on this. Fuck you, NordVPN. Okay, what is he trying to say? I've already, okay. Oh, so if I, oh, okay, so if I fucking do, never mind, wait, what? Oh, wait, because oh, okay, that's why. Is this what he meant? Is this what he meant? It is! What a lad. And then I have to make, this just completely white again. Okay. And now, I'm just going to change the alpha for when you select it. So, hold on. Let's go to text. No, it wouldn't be text. It would be the button. So, the highlighted color, I feel like the highlighted color should just be pitch black. And then, because then when you do that, you select it, and then oh, okay. Okay. So the highlight color, then you have the press color, and then you have the selected color. You have the disabled color. Okay. So highlighted, I think I'll just copy that. Oh wait, it's already copied. I'm a dumbass. Just paste that. Just make that, and I think making the alpha smaller, so we would, and that would just make it look black. I mean, I guess it would look weird, or I could, well, no, but so yeah, that would be okay. Yeah, that's fine. And then I'll just copy this, and then take this to here, paste here, paste, then here, fucking paste. So all of them will do that. And then, okay. So when you press it, what do I want it to do? Do I want it to go completely black, or I think I want it to go gray. So when it like, oh, if it lets me grab it, there we go. Makes it gives like a slight gray tint. Probably like right there. Well, we'll see how it looks. We'll see how it looks when we're done. Let me fucking copy that. And put that here. Okay, and then I think I'm gonna make the selected color just completely black. Yeah, I'll probably just make it completely black. And then, so that's just all zeros, cool. Now, I don't know, I don't think, disabled, we don't need disabled color. Can I disable the disabled color? Okay. Some anomalies. So let's go selected, I could literally just do that. It's probably even easier than copying and pasting it. No! 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 I did the wrong thing! Fuck! Selected. There we go. Okay, so that's all set up for that. And now, let me save it. And, okay. So, I have to redo, I don't know why, no, I do know why I deleted all the other ones, because I wanted to start from scratch, but we still have all of the text in, so that should be fine. It should be fine. I just need to figure out how I'm going to do this, so, yeah. So we had, okay, let me open up the, where is it? Where is it? Where's the scripts? There they are. And then we can open up the journal script. Okay, so here's all of that. So I just need to remember. So I actually haven't made the equipment stuff yet, so we won't do that yet, but we'll do items. So for items, I have the cake and the potion, and I think that's all we have so far. No, we have, oh wait, oh fuck, oh did I want to do, now I remember I wanted to do keys, but that could just be in items. Do we want keys? No, I don't want to update you. We're busy. Irrelevant. Key, yeah, hold on, let me, back to the fucking drawing board then. Because I like having the 4 sections, but obviously, I mean, equipment could go with items. I mean, so could keys, but, because I'm trying to think, because the keys are like just a huge separate thing. So, Because I can, well no, because items are things that you actually carry. I could put it in equipment, but that's like your person. But then again, that all that is just, yeah, I could just put the keys in equipment. Ugh. Okay. So that's fine. So alright, so let me, so, and then in those would be buttons too. So I need to make, let me make an empty, create empty, and we'll rename it to, I don't know. Yeah, I guess that is what that would be. Is it? Wait, hold on. UI. Yeah, it would, yeah, it would just be create empty. Okay. So let me rename that to, what should we call the different, I guess you call them chapters? I mean, they're not really, I'll just call them like journal sections. I'll do it with, oh, okay, caps lock is on. And then we will put all of this into that, so we can make that smaller. And now we can create, actually, I think if I make the other buttons in equipment, I think that'll make it so that when I tell it to turn off equipment, I think it'll turn off all of the buttons in equipment. I think that's how that works. I think that's how that works. I think that'll work. Let's see. Well, we'll find out. Let me create new button. And then drag that down here. We can make that a lot smaller. I think, I can just make the text smaller, but then we can dupe that. Well, actually, yeah. Well, do we want it to be? Yeah, that's fine. It's fine. It's fine for now. I might not like it later, but it's fine for now. So let me duplicate that. Yeah, it's a different button. Okay, good. Do that and then put it down like right here, something like that. And then we can change the name. So this one's gonna be, I think the first one we have is potion. Or no, I think the first one we have is cake. Let's check. Yeah, it's cake. So if I look, yeah, let me rename this cake and then rename this to potion. And so those two, and those are their own little buttons. And I can make these different. Yeah, these are, I'm gonna make their text black. So the text will stay like a complete jet black. And I'll do the same for this text, jet black. And then for the cake, so I think I'm gonna do the same thing but opposite. So I'm gonna have it so, because for equipment we have it so that it's slightly grayed out, and then we have it slightly grayed out, but its thing is, but in this situation it's gonna be do I want maybe I want the text to be white, but I could, no, I do want it to be black, because black looks better on the pages that we have there. So, okay, well, let me put the text down so I can actually see what it looks like. So, we get this text, name this cake, and then let me grab the thingy. Where's the font? There's the font. Then I think, yeah, let's make it 24. Actually, make it 20, because I do want it to be smaller. Yeah, that's good. Let's make this. Ooh, no. Let's make this smaller. Yeah, like that. Okay. And then if we're gonna do that, then I might as well delete this and then duplicate this. And then for this, we can move that down. But I'll rename this to potion. I think, yeah, I don't want anything there because it just doesn't look as clean. Oh, no, that's not what I wanted to grab. I think, yeah, that's good. I don't know why it looks off-center to me, but I know it isn't. Yeah, so for the buttons, we'll just make the main normal color. It can be white, but we're gonna make it so you just can't see it. And then we'll copy the same for cake. For the cock. Wait, is that not? Did I not paste it? Is it being dumb? Okay. Sure, fine. Okay. We should probably rename this to potion. And then, okay. So, we have that. And now, I'll just have it be like a light, something like a light gray, or I'll make it white. Let's see how that looks. I'll make it white for the highlighted color, but it'll be like slightly off. So it's like, yeah, so something like down here. Like, what's the max? 200, okay, I'm not doing that, but like 60. 60 is good. And so, put that here. Paste. Okay. Let me just save that. And then, so that's the highlighted color, and now we need the selected color, or the pressed color. And I'm gonna make, for these, I'm just gonna make the pressed color and the selected color the same, because I don't want it to do anything special, since it's gonna be opening up a whole separate page. So let's, we'll make it more white, so, or at least more gray, because before we had it, actually, yeah, let's have it be gray, and then we'll do the same thing here where it's 60. Yeah, and then we can just paste that over here. Actually, I could probably do this, copy and paste, and we could do the same thing for potion. Press color and paste that, and then paste it for the selected color. And then, and that's the same, right? Oh, wait, hold on. Let me go, okay, I fucked it up. Because I wanted this to be, I didn't want it to be exactly gray, I wanted it to be, yeah, so let me copy this. And then let me paste it into here. Why isn't that doing anything? Why is this one? This one's at 60, so it's 99. Then I copy it, and then I open up this one. Okay, so it's just being gay. That's fine. We'll just copy this instead. And then we'll fucking paste, yeah, paste that there. Oh, no, no, not there, not there, not there, not there. Oh god, here. There we go, that's better. Okay, now they're exactly the same. And then for this one, we'll do it here as well. So we'll paste that, then we'll paste it here. Paste. Okay, cool. So we have those. And potion text. And so now what I'm gonna want to do is I'm gonna make a separate canvas and have, well, not a separate canvas, but a new like panel, and have that open up over this, because I want this to be in the background, but I'm gonna have it be like its own separate little note on the page. So yeah, and I'm gonna have it so it forces you out. Okay. Oh, you know what? My fucking heater is making my room too hot. Alright. So we have that done. What I want to do is I'm gonna, okay, so I'm gonna make it a completely separate thing. So the thing is, what I want to do is I want to have it so when we open, like let's say you want to open up the cake lore menu thing, I want it to open up its own separate thingy, but since it's in the journal, I feel like it should just be like a page in the book, but I feel like, I should just make it the same color. Because I was thinking of designing it to look like a scroll, but then I realized that makes no sense because you're in a journal book. It would be cool, but it makes no sense. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make it a normal page in the book, or I might make it like half of this. That's probably what I'll do. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I put all that in equipment. I meant to put that in items. Hold on. Glad I caught that. There we go. Okay. So now... I think... Yeah. I could just cut this in half, but we're not going to do that. We're going to make our own little thing. Okay, we're going to make our own little thing. So let's open Pascal up. No, we want to make a new one. Well, actually, we don't want to make a new one. We want to grab one of our old ones. If this Dropbox want to stay, okay. Oh, fuck. That's the journal animation, but that's not the journal. It's probably, fuck. So that one? No. This one, no. This one, no. This one, no. That's the same one. No, that's not it. Might be one of these. We're just gonna go through all of them. We're gonna see which one's the right one. That one's even worse. Can we go down to here? Oh, here we go. Okay, I think this is it. Yeah, because if we look at this. Yeah, okay. So we have the yellow and then like the slight and the grays and stuff like that. Okay. So we're just going to fill it up. I want to make this... I'm going to resize it so it's not a square. I want this to be 30... No, I want this to be 60... I'll make it 96. Well, I need the height to be 96. Fuck. Change the height. 96. Okay. Maybe a little smaller. It's like 84. Yeah, that's better. And then we'll make it so we fill this up. So that'll be that. And then... So I'm thinking, should we just have it be a blank page? I think I should just have it be a blank page. I'm thinking that, but maybe not. Oh, you know what I'm thinking now? Actually, what I might want to do, let me make it so let's make this go straight across. Like that. And then let's have it go like squiggly down. Like that. Yeah. And then I'm gonna do the same here. And then we'll make those connect. Yeah, that's good. I like that. I kind of want to be a little bit bigger, but that's fine. I think if I want to see what it looks like, let's actually yeah, let's fill these in. That in, 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 that in. There, 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 and there. Okay. I think that's what I want. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay. So let's erase. Well, okay, let me make it a bit bigger. There we go. Just make sure not to erase. Or actually what I could do is I could use the lasso and oh wait. Would that even work? I think it will. It will somewhat in some ways work. If I just do this and then delete it. Yeah, that's fine. Let me get the single. No, no, no. Let's put this stuff. Fuck. Okay. Now let's get the lasso and let's just grab as much as I can. That is not as much as I can, but okay. That's better. Alright. Oh, I did that in one stroke? Cool, okay. Just lost all that progress. That's fine. That's okay. I'm not dying inside, if that's what you think. Oh my fucking god. I'm gonna kill myself. Okay, let's get rid of that so it doesn't... If I mess up, I don't have to go back so far. Now that it's like this, yeah, I like that. Let me just add in the details. So if I... Light's coming in this way. Make it a bit lighter. That is not what I wanted. Fill it in to get the shading. Okay. And then I'll make it a little bit darker with this, or is that too dark? Oh, I should have done that. Oh, fuck. I should have done it the opposite way. Well, I wonder if I can... No, I'm just gonna have to go over it. It's fine. Fuck. It's no longer fine. Oh wait, no, we do want that to be, oh wait, no, I did it right the first time. Because we want that to be darker, so we want this to be lighter. I can't tell if this is lighter or darker, but you know, it's whatever. It is darker. Okay, I'm dumb. Put it back. Oh fuck. Actually, no, we can do that. I can bring all that back. We'll just do that. Putting it all back. Fuck. We'd have a stroke. Okay, cool. I did that. Let's save this, just in case if it crashes. Call it lore page. Wow. Yeah, I spelled that right. Okay. And then we'll add in this shading. Maybe that side was lighter and I'm just dumb. I mean, it's fine. It works fine. And then I'll just use this, make parts of it. Add in that sick ass detail. Do we like that? No, I don't like that. Go back, go back. Make it great again. It's probably not gonna let me go back all the way, but I'll try to go as back so far as I can. Or it will. Or it will. It's a lad. I think I want to use, yeah, we'll just use this color. Yeah. Because this is what I did before. Just like put the creases down. I think that's good. And then the text will be there. So that makes, yeah, that's good. I like that. So we'll save that. And let me just import that. So I'm gonna fucking pull this up. So y'all don't have to look into my files. Okay, export. Do it as a PNG. Download that. I'll do that into the Fifth Warden files. And then let's do sprites. And then I can do that in... I might as well make a new folder. Well, do I already have a journal folder? I think I do. I don't. Okay. Never mind. Make a new folder. Call it journal. And we'll open that one up and put it here. And then now let me go into here. Let me go into menu stuff. Well, let me go to images, sprite, journal, and then we can bring this in. Where are my files? There they are. And then I can just drag that in. And there we go. Now I can turn you back on. If, yeah, that turns you back on, right? I turned it back on, right? Yeah, I did. Okay, good. All right, let me save that, and then let me. Okay, so what I want this to do is this going to be its own panel. So I have to make an image. Actually, no, I can just make this its own image. Or no. Because if I make it its own image, then I feel like then you're going to be able to click on the other stuff, like the cake and potion right here. So, let's, hmm. Yeah, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make another thing in the pause menu, I think. I think that's what I need to do. Like a completely new, I don't know if that's an image. No, that's its own, I think what I do is I UI, and then, yeah, it's a new panel. I have to make new panel. I'm gonna check and see if that prevents you from doing other stuff, but if it doesn't, then that's fine. I can make it that way easily. I'm just trying to redesign it so that it isn't as tedious as it was before when I add new lore entries later on in the game. So, okay. So let's make, yeah, so pause menu. Let's make a new panel. And then we'll name this panel, rename to lore page. And then in this panel, we are going to have an image being, yeah, it's going to be an image. And then we're going to apply this to that image. Oh, yeah, it would probably help for me to change this. Alright, so we got to make this sprite 2D in UI, and then we have to make it point no filter, and then apply that. And then I can drag this in. Hold on, let me go to the image. Now we can drag it in. So now that works. Now I also want to make it so... I want it to be... I do want this to be different, but I don't want it... Yeah, so we'll make it black, and then we'll have it, instead of it being pitch black, we'll have it be like, yeah, we'll make it like slightly darker so that it defines this. I can take the image and make it bigger. Here we go. So it's a pretty good size. Let's make it a little bit bigger so it lines up with that. Yeah. Okay, I like that a lot. Yeah, okay, I like that. Yeah, this is so much, oh my god, this system is so much better than what I had beforehand. Okay. So now, in this lore page area, I'm going to put in the text box, and I think that's all I have to do, because then, or do I have to make multiple? I probably have to make multiple, but that's okay. Do I? Okay, well actually, hold on, let me see, because in journal, in this, oh, wait a minute, okay, hold on, because since this is gonna be on here, because we have 3 mage texts, and that would be in here. Then we have the 3 knight text, the 3 brute text, stuff like that. So, trying to think. if I... Because how I had it before, I'm trying to remember how I had it before. So I do this, because I definitely had in each button I had to activate 3 different texts. Yeah, because they do need to be separate. Yeah, they need to be separate, because then it won't work that way. Which is fine. I just have to make... Or do I? Or could I just... Okay, we'll test it. I want to see... Let's see if... Let's see if this works. I wonder what I'm thinking. So, on the lore page, we will have... we'll have the different things. So I'll make new UI, it'll be text, and then I'll have the text box be like super big so that I can go down the entire thing. Thinking that should be good, like centering it like right there. Yeah, that's good. And then we'll have it, I think it should do this for me, but I can't remember. So I'm gonna try to, okay. I think that's all I have to do. I think the code is set up so it will make it do it for me. But what I have to do is I have to make it separate. So I'll name this one, like for example, I'll name this one cake. If I can find rename. Name this one cake. And then I will, in the journal, in here, I put the cake text. There is only one cake text, so this isn't really a good example to test this out, but I just want to see if this works. So we can do that cake text, and then we'll do it again. So in lore page, we'll make a new UI, a new text. Well, actually, no, I'll just duplicate this, and then we'll just rename it to potion. And then, yeah, and then we'll rename it to potion. So what I'm thinking, I don't know if that's gonna work. Well, it'll work for this, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see if this works. Yeah. Okay. So obviously in here the cake text will work, and then the potion text, which is down. It says it doesn't exist. Nope, it's right here. It's right under cake text. I'm thinking, okay, so now we have that. So now we're gonna set up the buttons. So we're gonna turn the lore page off, and then I think we're also gonna turn the cake off. I don't know. We'll do testing. We'll do testing. I'm gonna leave this on, but I do want to turn the lore page off, so that in here what we can do is equipment. So oh, you know what? So because what I was gonna do, because the only button that we're gonna have working right now is the items button. So in the items button, we're gonna have it do is we're gonna have it activate these and turn off these. But if I have these, but I don't have those yet, so I don't have to worry about that. But let me in items make a new empty, just because I wanted this for every single one. Empty. It's right here, and we're gonna rename this to. I was gonna say items, but that's not what we want to do. We probably want to rename it to, oh, not duplicate. No, not duplicate. Probably want to rename this to, we already have items, so we'll name it to, item buttons, or item, Uh, uh, hmm. We'll call it item lore. Item lore. Call it that, and then we'll grab the cake and the potion, and we'll bring it into here. So then that way, what we can do is if we click on the equipment button, it'll turn off item lore. So then every single item that I make for this game, that we make for this game, I can just make it so that if you click on equipment, or if you click on enemies or anomalies, just turn everything else off. So I only have to do 4 sections instead of having to do how many ever I add on. It can just be that. Okay, cool. Got that. That's great. But now what I want to do, yeah. So equipment, what we're gonna do. So actually, you know what I'm gonna do? So if I turn off item lore, it'll turn off those. That's what it'll do. But I'm gonna make one for all of them. So I'll make equipment lore, make a empty, and then name it equipment lore, and then in enemies, create empty, and then enemy lore, and then in anomalies, we'll rename it to anomaly, or is it just 1 L? I think it's 2 L's, but I could be wrong. No, I think it's 1 L. Anomaly lore. So then here, what we can do is we can have, we'll have equipment. What it'll do is it will turn, so actually we by default should have equipment lore turned off, item lore turned off, all of them turned off at the start, and then I'll leave that open, and then what we can do, yeah, so equipment, what this will do is we'll add on click, we'll make it so that the equipment lore game object set active, yes, turns on, and then we'll make it so that we'll make 3 more. 1, 2, 3. We'll drag in item lore, enemy lore, and anomaly lore. We'll all make those turn off. So all of those are now going to turn off. When you press the equipment button, then it'll turn the equipment on. And I'll do that for every single other one. So in items, make 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to grab item lore, function, set active, turn that on, equipment lore, make sure that's turned off, enemy lore, turned off, and then anomaly lore is turned off, like that. Just save this just in case if it crashes, because Unity loves doing that for some god-awful reason. Then on enemies, we're going to do the same exact thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Enemy lore. Game object. Set active. Active. Equipment. Item. Anomaly. Turn off. Turn off. And turn off. And then anomalies. 1, 2, 3, 4. Anomaly lore, equipment lore, item lore, and enemy lore. Turn you on, turn you off, off, and off. Okay, so let's save that, and then now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let's see here. So we have those all working out, and then in items for the item lore, cake, these buttons, okay. So now what this will do is pressing cake will open up lore page and cake text. I think that's how I want it. So we'll make cake open up both lore page. So we'll set that to be active, and then it also will do the cake text. And then for potion, we'll do the same thing. 1, 2, add lore page, and then potion text. And then we'll set those to be active. Turn you on, and then turn you on. Okay. I'm gonna save that. So now, when you click on items, it'll turn on these two things, the item lore. And then when you click on cake, it'll open up the lore page and also just the cake text. And then on the lore page, which I will now open up, we'll make, actually, let's make this, turn that off, and turn that off. Now, for the lore page, we're gonna have a button. I'm gonna make a new button. So, UI, button. We're gonna have this go, it's gonna fit the entire page, so we're gonna have it go up in the corner. If it wants to do that, that is. Okay. There we go. And then let me go grab the button, if I can remember where that is. Images should be in like the, nope. Outer, no, it would be in there. Be sure, nope. Where would we put it? Where did I put it? Is it just in assets? No. Oh, menu stuff. There we go. Menu stuff. Okay. So the button will apply a sprite. Boom. Oh god. That is abomination. Let's make that bigger. And let's make it... That's pretty good. Yeah, that's perfect. And then we're just going to turn the image of the button... Oh no, the image needs to be on, but we can turn all these to be off. So 0. And then I keep on needing to move my mic. 0. 0. And 0. Oh, I did it bad. I have done a bad. Okay. We want to keep those on. What we want to do is we want to turn this one. No, that's... Okay. Maybe it was the text. Text. No text. But the button's still going to light up. That's the thing. Because I know if I turn off the image, the button won't work. That's the problem. But the image is white. Why are you... Then if I do this... I forgot how I did this. So remember I turned off... Oh no, that's the image. Yeah. So it shouldn't... Should it do anything? I don't know. I guess we'll find out. Because the text, yeah, the text has nothing to do with it, and there is no text. We don't even want text. Get rid of the text. Delete the text. We just want the button. And we'll call it back out. I don't know if that's one word. We'll just consider it one word. And then in back out, what we will do is we will turn off the lore page. But I want it... The image stays... Wait. If I turn off the lore page and then I turn it back on, let's say potion is turned off. If I turn off the lore page... Well, no, let's say... Yeah, no, let's say potion is turned on. These two are on. And then I go to lore page, and I turn it off, and I turn it back on. Both of them turn back on. So I want to make it so that this button will not only close the lore page, but it will also close these. So let's do a nice little thing again and create an empty. Name this lore. We'll just name it the lore. This is the actual physical lore. And we'll grab the cake and the potion, which is what we have so far, and put it in the lore. And then, so we can do it, what we can do is we can have it so that this button will then now turn off two things. It'll turn off all of the lore, and it will also turn off the lore page so that we can go back. Set active, turned off, set active, turn off. Okay. And then the lore should automatically be turned off for these, just the specific, not the actual lore thing itself, but these itself, because these will turn it on, the cake text, and then that is turned off automatically, and then the lore page also turned off, and then so now we have that, and then on the journal page what we want, we can turn you, no, those are the journal sections. Yeah, so we can turn these off too. Turn that off, turn that off. Then in journal, we're gonna make a new button. Gonna put it up here. Let me grab the image, put it here, make that smaller, like a lot smaller. There we go. And then that should be fine. That should be fine. And then what this button will do is it'll turn journal off. So grab journal off, and journal should automatically be turned off, and the text box should be on, and the on, and then energy flask should be turned on, and then that should be it. Let's save that, and then let's test it.
Hey, sweetie.
Yeah.
I'm going want to bring Sean some dinner, and probably be home like around 9. So I'm gonna I'll put a plate in the refrigerator for you unless you're hungry now.
Okay.
Okay, what?
I don't know. I'll probably just make something myself.
I made dinner.
Oh, what'd you make?
I just said I made dinner. I made turkey tenderloin with potatoes. It was like I wrote, you know, it was in the oven type thing with carrots and corn.
Okay.
All right, so I'll make you a plate and I'll leave it on the counter.
Well, is it ready now?
Yeah.
Oh, then I'll go eat it now. But first, before we eat that, I'm gonna test this. If that works. Okay. Actually, let me enter that. Hey Pat, what's up? Do a cake. Come out. And then pause journal. See, it works. It works. It's just the aspect ratio isn't right. And the text doesn't pop up. So I don't know why that does that, but I'm gonna go, we'll figure that out later. I'm just gonna go eat.